What's up, guys? This is the first drive for the 08 Civic Si in the new year. She's been sitting for 3 months because it's been snowy and salty. The roads are finally clean. So let's give her a first start after 3 months. All right, boys. I'm gonna do a little rip here. Okay, I think we got another opportunity here for a pull. Well, at least I got that off. All right, I think we got another pull. All right, let's try another pull, but not so violent.